If you adore Samsung flagships and the S Pen, the Galaxy S26 Ultra might be your last option. According to a recent report, the business might stop using the built-in stylus feature in Ultra flagship devices after the S26 Ultra. After the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it appears that Samsung intends to discontinue the integrated S Pen from its Ultra variants, according to Panda Flash Pro. The company's decision to degrade the stylus with the S25 Ultra is consistent with this rumor. There is no Bluetooth capability on the Galaxy S25 Ultra stylus. An age of fascinating features like gesture controls, air actions, and remote control came to an end as a result of this decision. It is likely that things will change much more in 2027. Meanwhile, the same source pointed out that the S26 Ultra might keep introducing an integrated S Pen. The Galaxy S27 Ultra and other upcoming Ultra variants may or may not retain this functionality. The Korean tech behemoth might go back to using the Galaxy S21 Ultra method. The S Pen would not be kept in a separate silo on the phone. However, as an external device, the S Pen would support the input and stylus functions. Annika Bazin, the UK Vice President of Product and Marketing for Samsung's mobile experience, spoke with Tech Radar last month about the S Pen. For us, multimodal is crucial. That's how people utilize their phones, Bazin clarified. In meetings, people do use their S Pens to take notes, whether they are speaking, writing, or attending a meeting. The S Pen is therefore an essential component of our portfolio, in my opinion. Additionally, people really come back to us about the Ultra when you look at it. Will it have a S Pen, they ask? It also harkens back to the Note era. At this stage, we believe that the S Pen is essential to the Ultra experience. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.